Hi guys, welcome to Zuri Chats, the show that brings you the best discoveries in the world of lifestyle. Tonight I am going to be making salad, and I've already cut up some of the items, some of the veggies. As you can see, I'm not putting too much, I'm just going simple. Depending on what kind of salad you're preparing, then you just better be able to determine what items from the family of the vegetables that you'd like to use for your salad. So I'm preparing a Greek salad, and then I will also, the main point actually of this video is I'd like to show you how to prepare Greek salad dressing. Sometimes when you come home from work, you're tired, you just need to do a quick fix, eat and sleep, and you've already done your salad, and then once you've just set and preparing to probably rush, take a shower, come back, serve and eat, you realize, oops, you've run out of dressing. A lot of the times you buy our dressings from the supermarkets or from the shops. But the beautiful thing I'm here to tell you today or tonight is you can actually improvise and prepare your own dressing right from the comfort of your house. No stress, no hassle. And you don't really have to incorporate everything as Google or whatever other what are they called? The culinary gurus will tell you that probably you need to have this, you have to have this. What I like most about the Greek salad is you just feel free to roam. And because I like to just be in the kitchen and try out new stuff, I was just able to come up with a few items that you'd be able to put together and come up with your own homemade Greek salad dressing. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what items you need. I will tell you also what's necessary and what's not too necessary, and what you probably wouldn't be able to do without. Those of you that have tasted the salad dressing for Greek salad, you must admit it's mwah. The first time I had very delicious Greek salad was, I think, in France. We'd gone for a trip, and then we went to this restaurant, and I particularly asked for Greek salad, and it was fab. From that time, I just decided to find my own ways of making this salad or this dressing from the comfort of my house. So I checked Google, I checked recipes here and there, I tried some of them, and then eventually I just started cutting down on whatever probably is necessary, whatever I have access to, and then I came up with whatever I'm going to be sharing with you. So for those of you that are joining us, thank you so much for subscribing. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and also hit the notification button so that every time we have a new video, you will be notified. So guys, here we go. You need olive oil. Yeah, this is very important. It's one of the basics to your salad dressing. You need to have this for you to be able to come up with. And the other thing is pepper. Usually you'll see that mostly people recommend, or the experts will say, you use black pepper. I like to just be to roam free, so I use up my chili powder and the black pepper as well. So either way, even if you do not have your black pepper, but at least you have pepper, you can use either or. Then you need oregano, crushed oregano. This is how it looks like. It's usually actually crushed leaves. Yeah, so they give it the greenish in your dressing. It's just like, I don't know, it's like I don't know what I'll compare it to. Anyway, if I remember, I'll tell you. But yeah, that's oregano. Oregano is very necessary. It also has a very unique and it's a unique taste. Yeah, when you taste the oregano, it tastes really, really good. I don't know what I would compared to. But this is also one of the basics, especially for your Greek salad. Then you have the Dijon mustard. You need mustard. This is very, very necessary. If you can, I like to use the organic or the original. So do not go for this other makeshift, I'd call them makeshift mustards. The regular mustard, white in color looking, well, I don't know, I've never tried it, but usually this is what I go for. It's a male Dijon mustard. So this is a must-have. One of the things that gives it that tangy taste. It makes the taste very, very rich of your salad. You need some salt. Well, yes and no. If you'll be crushing your garlic, I crushed mine already. When you crush your garlic, usually I like to put a little salt in it. So when I do, then I don't put any more salt in them. Also because in those other recipes, you'll not find olives as part of the recipe. But for me, because this is an improvised recipe, then I like to always have 2 or 3 olives in it, and they're salty. So then sometimes I don't even really need the salt. But yes, salt you do need. You'll need some grape vinegar. It doesn't necessarily have to be grape vinegar. You just, again, roam free. Sometimes I use just the apple cider vinegar, the regular one. But I bought that and I've run out of that, so I currently have the grape vinegar. So I'll use this in its place. One of those other things that's very important, but not necessary to use, but I like because of the taste, it adds on to the tanginess of the taste, is feta salad. I usually buy mine is saudifetacheese. So far it's my best, one of the best discoveries. Those cheeses I've tried and I've really loved. This is one of them, saudifetacheese. I've already cut up a few pieces, very nice. And you can either incorporate it in your salad, on top of your salad, or you just put it in your dressing and just blend it. I do both. So I put a few cubes on top of my salad, and I also pick like 3 or 4 and I put in my dressing and just blend it all together. What else? Lemon, very important. Yeah, it adds on to the tanginess of your salad dressing, so you really need to have this. So you can prepare, just cut up your vegetables, whatever you need. I have cucumber at the bottom. I have some tomatoes. I just cut them up, and you have your ho-ho. You can either use the green or the yellow or whichever, even if it's just one of them. Yeah. And then I have my olives, pitted olives, Spanish pitted olives. And then we have this, spinach, yeah, baby spinach. Depending on your locality and what veggies you have access to, it could be, I don't know. There are people who also choose to have a bit of cabbage, but cabbage comes in a different salad. But then I think the beauty in doing kitchen or doing salads is you're just able to freely tailor it to your preference. Yeah, so I believe in the kitchen, and especially when it comes to the salads, don't confine yourself too much. So today I just decided to have mine with baby spinach. Yeah, and they're gonna be raw. Yeah, so I'm gonna just pick a few pieces. I feel like my dish is too small, so I'm just going to transfer this in here so that I'll be able to mix. Yeah. Then, because we're going to be using olive oil in our salad, just don't use too much initially. Others will probably think it's too much oil, so they'll just avoid sprinkling it here. But then I prefer to just do a dot, you know, just a dot, because I'm gonna be using quite a bit of it in my dressing. Let me just Just mix the vegetables up nicely. Yay! Could just add a little more of the olives. I love olives. Super spicy. Okay, there we go. So now this is done. Going to pick just a few leaves of spinach, baby spinach. Clean them up nicely. Don't leave them out dry, they go bad, so you have to put them back in the fridge. Yeah, wash them up nicely, dry them. There are people who prefer to cut up their vegetables, the baby spinach. I like them whole. So yeah, it's called free flow. Feel free. Do whatever makes your salad stick. Your salad leaves. The salad is almost pretty much done.